Now everyone, I'm back, and today I am in the beautiful country of Wales, which I didn't think I'd end up getting down to this year, but weather's alright. Bit of time off work never hurt anyone, so I'm here. And today I'm going to be doing Moel Siabod, and I'm going to be going up the Daear Ridge. Not quite sure how you pronounce it, but that's what I'm going to be doing. It's a grade 1 scramble up to the top. So yeah, looking forward to this one. And let's see how we get on. So we're coming through Brynnegan Woods and noticing all these really nice big rock formations. As well as that, it's really peaceful. So yeah, we're heading towards the bottom of Moel Siabod. I've parked my car up in Capel Cerrig, which I thought was easier. Nice little woodland walk towards the bottom, taking in all the scenery. But we're nearly there. I'm going to start the ascent soon. Woo! So we're out of Brynnegan Wood now, and yeah, what a crazy little path that was. You know, a few little rocky little bits to go through, you know, all sorts it was. Yeah, right, nice and quirky. A nice little view of a stream at the side. Yeah, and I can currently see just behind me, just there, is the top of Moel Siabod. When it looks a bit, I can see a couple of people climbing the ridge already. Can't wait. Just here, just up in the clouds now. The ridge is on the left hand side that I'll be going up. Cannot wait. Whew. So the ascent from the bottom is pretty much full on straight away. Oh, kind of caught me by surprise. So I'm a bit out of breath, but yeah, I'd rather me show you that it's hard work and wait till I've got my breath back and go, oh yeah, it's easy, but the views behind are absolutely beautiful. Whew. Caught me off guard a bit, did that? So we're now at the base of Moel Siabod, and yeah, just looking at it now, eyeing it up a little bit, and it's going to be fun, is this, you know. I wouldn't class myself as a climber, because I'm not very good with heights, but it's a little scramble, you know. It's got me with it a bit, but we'll be fine. That'll probably just be me. But the nice little tan coming up to it is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely love them. So the path now from where the tarn was has become very, very rocky underfoot. Oh yeah. It's not the best, but just need to take it steady. Or if you're me, I'm a bit clumsy. You always seem to fall. Oh well. Wow, part of the fun. So we're now at the slate cottages where the miners used to live whilst we were working up here. Bit of a shame really to see them like this, but it's also cool to explore it, I suppose. This place is absolutely beautiful. There's a nice ledge there where you could probably have a nice wild camp. Yeah. That may be where I come tonight. We'll see. But this is absolutely unreal. You've got all the miners' cottages. You've got the nice tan. It's beautiful. And then you've got Moel Siabod just in the clouds above my head. Unreal. I love this place. This was a good choice. What a place. Wow. Absolutely unreal. Now it's time for the Great Home Scramble. Let's have it. Moel Siabod now in the clouds. So it's gonna make for a fun little scramble. Whew. So the ridge is there. It does actually look really, really daunting, to be honest. It just goes up into the clouds, you can't even see the top. Just adds to the excitement. Well, that ridge does look a little bit, but hey, look at that. It just goes up and into the clouds. If this doesn't get you excited, no it will. Whew. Let's have it. Oh, and when you fall, just I managed to get that mixed up with that little one. It's beyond me. Whew. So I am just coming to the bottom of the ridge now, and it seems to be a lot clearer once you get to it, but by no means am I going to take it lightly. I mean, that still looks a very daunting ridge, and I would say probably not for the faint-hearted, but I'm a big wuss. So we are now officially onto the ridge being just behind me. Don't seem too bad, you know, there's quite a lot of land this side, so it's not too bad I don't think. Don't really want to jinx me sunlight, but I'd say it's probably not as bad as Jack's Rake in the Lake District. But we're soon about to find out. Let's have it. Wow. Shattered. Gonna go up there. Not even come that high up yet. It's enjoyable though, is this? Let's crack on. You can just see two peaks in the distance. Just when you fall, just down there, and we've got to keep going up there. Whew. So when you fall, it's just behind me. I've only come up this little part of the ridge so far. I've got right the way to go up there. It's knocking it out of me, is this. Whoa. Don't do many scrambles. Oh. Wow. Wee. But we're going to carry on to the top. So yeah, I'm having a little breather before what seems like I'm just going to carry on into the abyss. I mean, a lot of these rocks, I mean that one's dry, but a lot of them are very slippy. So you just got to be careful what you're standing on, really. Definitely wouldn't say that it's as scary as Jack's Rake in the Lake District, but it's definitely a lot like more drawn out. So it probably make it for a lot harder going. Just seems like it's going on forever. Whew. Yeah. So we're just coming to the top of Moel Siabod now. That is the scramble over. But no surprise, I can't see anything at the top other than the cairn. So let's bag that peak. Get in. Oh, a tough little scramble up. So we're heading down now, seeing as the wind hut at the top was absolutely even. So yeah, we're gonna get down. We're gonna get in the car for a little bit. It's absolutely freezing up here now. So yeah. Woo. That was fun. A lot easier. Or something. A lot harder than Jack's rake. But in terms of it being as scary, nah. You know, fairly easy, you know exactly whereabouts you are, you know that there's that there's quite a lot of land around you. The camera keeps getting covered in rain. So yeah, just have a look at that. Nice is that? Absolutely beautiful view. How nice are these views now though? Absolutely unreal. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Shame we couldn't see any of that at the top, but it said that you can see 13 out to 14 of Snowdonia's highest peaks. When I was at the top, saw nothing, which is a shame, but you can always do it again. Part of Snowdon just starting to show itself. Can't see the top of Trifan no more, but you've got 10-year-old way just here, stuff like that at the side. This part of Wales is absolutely beautiful. Wow. Look at it. What is there not to like about this? Apart from the puddles and all the sheep's milk. So we are nearly down now from the top. Nice little steady route down really. Can be slippy underfoot, and I have slipped a couple of times. So yeah, it's like I say, it's just a matter of going at your own pace. Plus I suppose, if you don't want to do a grade 1 scramble, you can always do this route. But I thought I'd challenge myself. Oh, brilliant. So I'm just on the route down. Notice these little red mushrooms, little beautiful things, and I know that if my little girl were here right now, she'd be going mad for them, thinking it's little trolls' houses. So I've just took a couple of pictures and a few facial expressions like this, so I can show her when I get back home. She'll love it. So the path that I have just come down is, you know, it's fairly steep to be fair. You know, it's got a little bit about it, so from what I'd say, no matter which way you do this, it's pretty full on straight away. So yeah, just be prepared to go full on right from the word go. So we're just coming back through Bryn again Wood, and yeah, it means that I'm pretty much at the end of my walk now, but I've spotted a nice little place where I'm gonna go pitch up my tent for tonight. I'm gonna do another video about that, but pretty cool. So yeah, I think it's gonna be an ideal spot for a nice wild camp. Can't wait. I'm actually excited about it, to be honest. It's look really cool. So yeah, don't see why not. Whee. It's a beautiful woodland. Might not like much, might just look like loads of trees to other people, but it's just taking in the nature and actually enjoying it. It's got to be what it's about, isn't it? So yeah, it's the end of the walk, guys. I only have to walk over that bridge and I am at my car. So today's walk, I really enjoyed that. You know, I mean, shame it was cloudy as what it was. I mean, I knew it was going to be cloudy, but not that cloudy, which it did say it were going to clear up in patches, but I'm not fussed. I could always come back and do it again. But yeah, the grade 1 scramble, it's not really that hard. Just a little bit tiring on the legs, but nowhere near as scary as what I thought it would be. So yeah, I mean, it wasn't as scary as Jack's Rake in the Lake District, where you've got sheer drops straight at the side. I mean, you've got quite a bit of land at the side here to clamber up. But yeah, I mean, shame top again, cloudy, freezing, which I was going to camp there tonight at the top, but I've seen a pretty cool place on the way up to the top of Moel Siabod. So yeah, I think I'm going to camp there, but I mean, like I say, that's for another video, which I'll be making after this, once I go back, get all my camping gear and get set. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed the video as much as what I have, because I've actually really enjoyed this. First time in Wales hiking, so yeah, it was a nice experience with that. Let's hope the camping's a nice experience. So yeah, don't forget, if you've liked the video, hit the like button please. If you wouldn't mind, give it a share, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. You'd be helping me a lot. See you on the next one.